Okay, so what is up, everybody? Weather is kind of sus, yeah. But anyway, yeah, on my short gloves today. And then we are going to be going on a ride after so long in Dimapur. So let's go. I'm going to be explaining why I haven't been uploading much. So yeah, let's go. What a sunny day, yeah. It's very unusual to have traffic around here, yeah. Hi, looks, what a beauty. Welcome back to another video of riding and talking. So today, first of all, we're going to be going to the KTM service center because my front wheel bearings are busted, and you know, if I don't repair them now, it's gonna take up, you know, bigger issues in the future. Mula this brake down sa bend to job. So because of that, I'm gonna be going to the KTM service center and changing my bearings, and then after that I think I'm gonna be meeting up with Anguka and all, since they're, you know, somewhere around the highway. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. And yeah, you guys must have noticed that I have not as you guys have noticed that I have not been active lately on YouTube. And yeah, it was because I was in Kohima, and then I did record a lot of content in Kohima, but I'm thinking to drop that content because it's just too meaningless. I mean, asa the footage is gonna be shi, but I feel like it's too, I don't know, out of place. I wasn't myself, I feel like that. So I'm gonna be dropping the Kohima content. So there's not gonna be any part 2 of it. Although I think I will upload some footages compile or na.
Tudo repete como se o tempo parou, tua imagem gira e nunca cessou num loop lento. A vida ficou e meu coração nunca ficou.
So that's whatever happened. Good view, bad weather, you know. But kaya madalap di taka traffic to Patkai di siya mo because the traffic is something else in Kohima, and the rules for two-wheelers, it's like much more lenient in Kohima compared to Dimapur. I feel like there's gonna be a huge jam. Here we go. Dimapur and its usual shenanigans. Man, I hope I get good content today. But seriously, it's been so long, yeah. I haven't, you know, ridden in Dimapur. Kaliwi ride yesterday, but my microphone jack wasn't, you know, plugged properly, and that's why no audio was recorded, or else yesterday's day was really cool. It was a very pretty day yesterday. I don't know today how is it gonna be, but yeah, let's hope for the best. Let me first change my bearings, and then let's contact Anguka and Roto where they are, and let's try to get some content. Everyone's in a rush hour, yeah. These roads didn't even last a year, yeah. I won't record the bearing changing part. Nothing much to record there. But yeah, I'm gonna be recording the ride. So yeah, let's go. KTM Service Center. हम भी अभी आ रहा है.
A few moments later.
What a bummer, man. They said they don't have bearing. क्या servicing है भाई. I mean, we all know. I mean, the people who use KTM in Nagaland, we know how a service center in Dimapur is.
I know, right?
Disappointed, but not surprised. So I'm just gonna be heading home and then, you know, continuing the vlog tomorrow. Sadness, sadness. I mean, bearing doctor service center actually ko na yun.
Yes, exactly.
But anyway, as I mentioned, disappointed much, not surprised much. They told me to come tomorrow because today Rajesh is not there. He's sick, and I guess I'm not going to be going on a ride because I don't want to risk. Or else it was quite a nice day for a ride also. Let me just go and ask if, you know, there's original bearings in this Bajaj parts, Bajaj Genuine Parts. Oh, checking as well. So many checking, but I didn't get stopped. Here it is, Bajaj Genuine spare parts. I hope we'll get it. Bearing मिलेगा, bearing.
बेरिंग
हम्म.
कौन सा साइज पीछे का
आगे.
ये आरसी है ना
हाँ.
60 आरसी में कौन सा बेरिंग करता है 60
क्या चेक कर रहा है?
कागज का
हाँ.
कस्टमर लेकिन आई थी ना
हाँ.
कागज आसे ना
मुझे रोका नहीं था. Okay, so I got my bearings from here. I thought I won't change my bearings today, but nah. Ini kurdo. Double up down the kurdo naman na. Even though the service mechanic did mention that they don't give original bearings to just anyone. But I'm ready to take my chances. Plus the bearings only costed 250 rupees, so yeah, why not? So my friends were actually telling me to just upload anything, whatever I do in a day, or you know, ini vlog to ini consistently ini upload ko rin na ki hulyo ina gudai je sa tiyamba aus na peno. So I do want to do that, but then again, I don't know. I don't want to upload boring vlogs either. But then again, I guess it's fine to be just uploading anything, I guess, because it becomes like a journal, right, of whatever I do. So instead of always uploading good views, good things, good rides, sometimes should upload nonsense also, I guess. Anyway, sometimes I feel like I could actually do more, like on my vlogs. It's just that I'm not confident enough to do them. But seriously, my confidence drops, yeah, when I'm around people in a crowd, etc, etc. So yeah. Anyway, back to square one, back to KTM service center again. Let's see if Amar will change my bearings. Ooh. Bike is feeling much better with the new bearings, and I'm feeling much more or less disappointed. Anyway, as said, I don't think I'll join Anguka and Roto for the ride, since I'm pretty much very low on fuel, and then I don't have recharge. So even if I go, I don't think me and them will meet up.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Alak da pa inay day sila uncle though. Hurry burry this thing, hurry burry. What a jump, what a jump. Whoa, checking the jump out should be. I have zero idea why they're not like stopping me. They're stopping other people, but they're not stopping me, so that's weird. Maybe I'm just lucky today. And yes, I am actually gonna be taking the longer way back home, because I wanted to, you know, just record. I just wanna record some stuff. So I'm gonna take this way and then get myself stuck in traffic just for content.
A few moments later.
The amount of people that's roaming, bruh. Having no mirrors is also not bad, yeah, actually. Because you can just, you know, maneuver yourself in the traffic, but having mirrors is like really, you know, troublesome when it comes to, you know, twitching around in the traffic, because there's a risk that you might hit the cars around you with your mirrors. Mirrors. Like I said, see, I don't have mirrors, so it's kinda not that difficult for me to maneuver myself in the traffic. Say yes to life, say no to drugs. NCB.
1 hour later.
Oh, helmet to design ko na rin Christmas decoration. Finally out of the hellhole. Feeling kind of suffocating, yeah. Seriously, Dimapur traffic is not for beginners anymore. Khermahal is best. Khermahal pala siya. First Khermahal biya siya, but experiencing the traffic here in Dimapur now, it's much more worse here. Wow, Jackie Chan or what? I'll wash my bike once I'm home. It's too untidy, and maybe I'll vlog that also. Let's just see whatever happens today, and if it's uploadable or not on the vlog. And we are officially home.
Tudo repete como se o tempo parou. Tua imagem gira e nunca cessou.